What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make cards fly out of the deck. Let's get into it. So this is pretty much how it looks. You have the deck gripped in a hand, and you just make the cards shoot right out of the deck. And of course, it's really cool for any kind of, revealing effects that you have. If the card is, on top of the deck, let's say 10 of spades, and of course the spectator doesn't know that. You do the thing, and then you make the 10 of spades pop up. It's a really cool way to, just get that reveal in a cool way for the spectator. So now, breaking this down, we're going to start by getting the deck in this grip. I'm not really sure what this grip is called, but you're going to have the thumb on one side of the deck and 4 fingers on the other side of the deck. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to use these 3 fingers right here, the middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. You're going to use those 3 fingers to pull this top card to the side. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. And you're just going to pull it so this corner clears the thumb. Okay, so it's going to go from here to here. Now your pointer finger here is going to be used as kind of the pivot. Okay, you're pivoting this card around the pointer finger. So just like that. Now once you've gotten here, you've cleared this, you are going to release with these 3 fingers that you were just using to turn the card. And you're going to tuck them underneath this card. Right, so you're going to have, if I can show you, you're going to have some room right here under the card. You're going to come over with these fingers and put them underneath like this. Right, so you're going to have it looking something like this. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is to it. And the last thing you're going to do is, while pressing down here, of course not going to press too hard, you're just going to have just a light enough press. Okay, not like this, but just light enough press so you have some room. This card would easily be able to slide out if you pulled it with the other hand. Right, so just light enough, and all you're going to do is pretend to give someone the finger, so it's going to look like that. Now of course I didn't really do it with full force, but you're going to do this, and you're going to quickly move the finger up. You're not going to move it slowly. If you move it too slow, that's going to happen. You don't want to do that. Okay, you want to move it just fast enough to let the card go flying. Of course, and as you get better, you can start adjusting the power on your middle finger. So if you want to go a short distance, of course I missed that. If you want to go short distance, it'll go a short distance. If you want to make it go further, and that went off the screen, don't worry about it. It's going to go a lot farther. So one thing that I like to do is to do a Chalier cut with this hand and shoot the card between these 2 packets. So it looks something like this. Hopefully if I can get it working. Yeah, so it looks something like that. And I think it's really cool. I use it for some of my flourishes. Of course I'm missing half the deck now because I shot all the cards out. But I think this is a really cool trick to do, or really cool flourish to do. I don't know, it's just something that I find really awesome. And if you shoot the card high enough into the air at an angle, it's going to actually boomerang right back to you. You can't really tell the depth in there, but let me see if I can show you from this angle. So you can see it goes forward and then it starts coming back towards me. And of course I missed those catches because I'm looking at the camera while doing it, and I'm not that skilled. Right, so this is a really cool thing you could have, just, again, for revealing for the spectator, or just showing off to general people. You could even do it behind your back. I probably can't, but let me try anyway. And it didn't work. Let's try again. Something like that. Of course you can practice it more to make it look cooler, and just use it pretty much however you want. So sorry for the late upload. It's just been a super crazy week, it's just with the holiday season going on and whatnot. So for everyone watching, I just want to wish you some happy holidays. And also there's going to be no video upload for Wednesday because, again, crazy week that's going on. So all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below for all my status updates. And I will see you in my next video, and of course, happy holidays. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.